Welcome once again to another toy review here at Transformers Philippines. We're about to review the Transformers animated Sentinel Prime. This is a vehicle that was released in 2008 and one of the best toys to come out in the animated series in the Deluxe class category. Sentinel is a snow plower pickup truck that comes with his weapon, which is the Skyboom lance and shield. Colored in the blue with plaqued black windows. This pickup is very nice indeed, and one of the best toys so far. It has a working snow plower. It can tilt to left to right, as we know it. Features of the vehicle: it rolls on the flat surface, as we all know it. First, we have to do is split the front end of the truck. Okay. And lift the back of its part. Now you see that this one will move above this part, so do that. Split the legs. Okay, you split this part, or you separate the doors right here. Okay, as you can see from this part here, it goes all the way up, as you notice. This part will connect to here, to the other tire. Roll it same way with that part. Now this part, as you can see, it folds into this torso, and you lift the head. As you see, the two plow blades up top, you lower it down like so. And you got yourselves a Sentinel Prime. As you see in the background, the animated version, this is his toy version. He has limited articulation. The head is ball jointed, as you can see. You can look up, left. His antenna, just like in the cartoons, are movable on both sides. And the arms, he has the elbow joint, but it's just a one direction joint. And then he has the ratchet joint for the arms, the whole arm. Same with the other side. Doesn't have waist joint, only had ball jointed ankle to the torso, one directional knee, not ball jointed, so you can see how limited he is. Well, putting together his weapon that's easy. As you see now that I've finally attached the weapons for this figure. All in all, it's a very nice sturdy figure, but you know, his body is top heavy due to that his chest is big. You can see the back part of the robot mode. You can see the truck. Okay. And the face reminds us of the animated character known as Tick. Okay, so it's basically one of those characters that we didn't expect to be this popular. Well, most hated figure, since he's a jerk in the cartoons. So basically that's how Sentinel Prime is in the cartoon. All in all, you get a very nice figure out from the animated series that is Sentinel Prime. And personally, I don't think everybody would like this character because of his personality in that cartoon. So well, all the rest we tried to tell you is one of the cool toys that came out from the animated series. And you can still find him being sold on the second-hand stores or second-hand online forums. Well, you try to check it out. And this is Mark, and rock and roll up.